So SiliconCore's Mobile AIO is a fantastic product. So this is a pitch 1.5. We also have a version that is pitch 1.2. This is the 1.5 is full HD at 135 inches. It's a fully self-contained unit, so you can bring your own device, plug right in, multiple inputs. There's wireless connectivity, so you can stream from your laptop to the display. It's got built-in speakers. It also has a motor to raise it up and down, and wings that you can fold in and out. A rear fold version or a front fold version, depending on what your use case is. The reason behind doing the motor for up and down is we need to be able to get it through doorways, and the wings are so you can fit it onto most elevators. And so it's a really versatile product. It's really a spend multiplier, so instead of having to put a display in every single room, you can get one of these and move it around, have it for all hands meetings. We have versions of this that actually go up to 240 hertz, which is great for broadcast applications, commercial applications. We're able to achieve ultra low power and really high bit depth with our Common Cathode IQ technology, along with our ZAC technology. It has a Common Cathode IQ. It also has our LISA technology, which is very different than GOB technology. GOB technology puts a black layer over the LEDs. Our LISA technology puts a black layer down but does not cover the LEDs, and then has a clear optical grade coating on top of that. It's a fantastic product, available now. So come on by and have a look.